Today, we're gonna talk about 3 movements that you shouldn't do, and we're gonna give you 3 movements that you should do instead of those. Crunches suck. Anything with a machine is for sissies, and if you're doing kickbacks, you look like a fucking idiot. If you're doing any of these 3 movements, I got 3 movements that are way better for you and will get you to the spot that you wanna be at. Hey, you over there in the gym, doing tricep kickbacks. Well, unless you're giving a karate chop, jerking off a guy behind you, or passing a baton, there is no need to do tricep kickbacks. I got 3 other workouts for you. The tricep was meant for pressing, so why don't we do some dips, do some push-ups, or do some presses overhead? Stop looking like a fucking idiot doing kickbacks. Why are you using a Smith machine? Unless somebody's gonna walk you through life carrying shit off your back or guiding things off your back, there is no point in using a Smith machine. Start doing some squats with a barbell on your back, or start with some air squats, some lunges, or maybe some step-ups. Those are good exercises. Instead of doing 1,000 crunches and wasting your afternoon doing that, why don't you try some of these movements? A full sit-up, maybe a hollow body position to keep those abs working, or some knee raises. Those will work a lot better and get you to that body you want. So if you're guilty of doing any of this dumb shit in the gym, just take our advice. We're here to help, not just shit on you, and we will continue to shit on you. But if you have any comments, complaints, or concerns, leave them in the comment box below. We love reading that shit. See you next time.